Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see the uh, bolt. I think so. In the last video I have mentioned the bolt and nuts now. So let's see our bolt. What we can do is select the top line, go for sketch, and what we can do, select the polygon, select the center of this point, and let's go with like this. Go for smart dimension, select a side, give it a dimension of I think 20 mm will be sufficient, and hit OK here. Go for select a circle. Actually, let's go for extrude the cut and give it a dimension of 20 mm too. It will look more promising. Okay, now what we are going to do, go to select this plane, go for sketch, select the circle. Let's draw a circle over here and give it a dimension of 10 mm. Sorry, 20 mm. I forgot. Diameter of 20 mm. And let's go for feature, extrude cut, extrude boss base, sorry, extrude cut now. Give it a 100 mm dimension. Now it's looking more promising. Hit OK. Now what we can do is we can go and select this plane or this edge, go for sorry, or we can go with this plane and go for sketch, select this circle, convert the entities, and now what we can do, go for feature, curves, ellipse and spiral, and reverse the direction of this. Let's give it 100 mm and reverse the direction. So for that we want reverse the direction here, and now what we can do is we can decrease the pitch to 2. It's more spiral, counterclockwise, actually clockwise is okay. Let's hit OK. Now what we can do, we can go select the right plane or front plane, any one plane, select, go for sketch. Now what we have to do is we have to simply make a triangle over here. So select the plane, let's go like this, and we can make this, actually what we can go is sketch fillet, select this corner. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius should eliminate one. I want 0.1. Will it be okay? Oh, not 1 mm. Actually, let's give it a dimension. 1 mm. It's quite large. Leave it. One thing we can do is let's trim the entities. Actually, remove these. Let's draw another. Okay, let's go like now we can trim these. Hit OK. That's looking more promising. And this one too I have to remove. Trim entities like this. Now it's a profile. And now what we can do, we can go over feature, revolve was sorry. We can go for select this one, go for swept wash space and select the spiral as the and select the profile as this one. Let's see what happened. And we can change here the action to options, follow path and spicy specify test align with end faces. Let's see, wait for me some minutes, it will change over here. Align with, yeah, here it didn't make a cut over here. Let's see over here, and we have to increase it like this way to now guide curve. What happened? Actually taking time in building. That's okay. Let's hit OK over here. Go for edit feature. Let's play with this, some of these, and hit OK. It will cover up to here. That time it was covering like this. Now it's I think so. What happened to this? Okay, that's okay. So the bolt is ready now. And we can give it a appearance too. For appearance, go for appearance, metal. Let's see what we can give it. Polish purple. Let's go with this. What happened to this? So the product is ready now. So let's save it. I think that's all for today, guys. Bye bye.